This is going to be a terrifying video for a lot of sakes. Guys, welcome back to today's ATZT video, and here back with another video. And today's video is going to be kind of a controversial one, all English, because I want to describe myself. And if you're not a football fan, you don't follow football in Europe, especially Bundesliga, La Liga, Premier League, then this video is not meant for you at all. But let us begin. FIFA Ballon d'Or 20, I don't know if it's FIFA, but Ballon d'Or has been cancelled. The greatest award a player can be given. This year's Ballon d'Or has been cancelled because France Football says that it is cancelled because there's a big break in football and all that stuff. So no, and I don't get it at all. It doesn't make any sense. This was a season when Robert Lewandowski, the Bayern Munich striker, one of the best strikers of his time but hardly recognized, smashed in 30 plus goals, a Bundesliga record, and won the league. Both the league, the Bundesliga he won, and the domestic cup, which is an achievement. Plus, no, we are not even talking that they are still in the Champions League. They have a second league match versus already a 3-0 down Chelsea. And you're telling me that it just feels like he's been robbed from his award, from his Ballon d'Or. Definitely, he has been outstanding. There is no comparable performance to him. Let me say, yeah, Messi has a chance, but let's agree, he has not lifted a trophy this season. He has picked up 23 goals, 23 assists, I think so, and overall it's a huge number. I think he got some 56 goals in total with assists and goals. But currently Robert Lewandowski is higher than that. He has 51. Just keep it in your mind. 51 goals this season, including 2 hat-tricks. And let's not forget, he has been injured also, so that is why he has played less matches. Even Messi also is injured. Yeah, but that doesn't, it's still, even both have been injured, but Lewandowski has smashed 51 goals. And it was not an easy season, it was tough. Leipzig was leading, when Dortmund were looking strong, but no, Bayern Munich did it what they normally do. They won the league, and that was great. And Robert Lewandowski was something else this season, out of the galaxy type player. He was so great in his football. Oh my god, it just looked like after so much years of recognition required, finally he was going to win the award that he needed to, the Ballon d'Or, which was looking so great this season. Like the only competition was going to be Messi and no one else, not Cristiano Ronaldo. It was not going to be Kevin De Bruyne. No one else. It was going to be Robert Lewandowski. If you go to transfer market and just check his facts this season, they have been mind blowing. Yeah, Lionel Messi, you may say he's a striker, and just takes the balls and just shoots it in the goal like all strikers do. I have an interesting thing. Just go on the Bundesliga website, and not website, YouTube channel, and just see all his 31 goals this season. Just check it out, and you will come to know what he is. He is an artist, a perfectionist, and also one thing, he just missed one open goal this season, just one. Well, you see so many players miss it so easily. He just missed one, and it was a fast run, and he just wrong angle of the foot, and the ball went out. No, but this is a complete robbery. Even the same case goes to Ribery. He won the Bundesliga, the domestic cup, and the Champions League, all 3 trophies, and still came out 3rd in the Ballon d'Or, behind Messi and Ronaldo as usual. And I don't know, he had performed exceptionally well that season. He was good, but no, they just gave it to, I can't remember who. It was either Messi or Ronaldo. But Ribery's performance was outstanding that season. Same way it is gone to Robert Lewandowski. And I'm feeling like, because it's not a Real Madrid or Barca player, which is either Ronaldo or Messi, or if you just put Luka Modric in the middle, which no one cares about. It's like, no, these players didn't perform well, let's just cancel it. No, I don't get it at all. Like, what's the reason? What was the reason? Like, okay, there was a break. How long was the break? Can you please specify to me? March, April, May. Bundesliga started before that only. So I think like the normal 1 month used to be there in the mid between the season, when they used to take a 1-2 month break. That is just took in now. Nothing wrong with that, and plus they completed all the match. Now you'll say, oh, the Dutch league was cancelled, oh, the League One was cancelled. Who cares about the League One? It's a farmers league, and the only reason why any PSG player is going to win that is if they win the Champions League. Let's agree, it's never happening. And about the Dutch league, I have a lot of respect. There are a lot of amazing talents there, but not enough to even come close to even Cristiano, Messi or Lewandowski or Premier League, Serie A or Bundesliga standards. Because it's easy, the league is considered little bit lower, but they have amazing talents, I say so. But still, that doesn't mean that you just cancel it off. It doesn't make sense. Just assume one very random year. Let's say the Irish league, the Swiss league, the Switzerland league, I mean, and the Norwegian league football just got cancelled. Would anyone care? No, because those teams, that leagues will never produce a Ballon d'Or winning player. It's a very low chance. Even if it does, there will be scrutiny that, oh, the team did win the Champions League, oh, the team won a league which was kind of lower than the top 5 leagues in football. It doesn't make any clear sense. That's what I have to say. Robert Lewandowski has been completely and 100% robbed from this, and I don't know what it doesn't make sense at all. What I feel is that this is completely a shit decision, a complete stupid decision, and it should be taken back ASAP, because I don't find any logical reason why it is. If you all think it's a logical reasoning, just by okay, there's been a short break between. We played all our matches though, but there are 2 leagues which didn't play, so let's cancel it off. No, that doesn't happen like that. No one cares. If they cancel, it's their problem. Other players have to be justified. And it was an amazing season by Robert Lewandowski. I really believe that he would finally lift the trophy. And now it's gone. It's a great chance that it's gone. Next season, God knows what will happen. That's the issue. That's my point for this video. Thank you for watching again. Do like, share, subscribe. See you all in another video. Check our playlist, check our videos. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Goodbye.